My ideal Wales is a healthier and cleaner Wales. I want less water pollution, and I want it to be a happier place for future generations.
I would like to see a Wales where our streams and rivers and lakes and sea are a lot cleaner than they are currently.
I would like to live in a Wales that protects not only its people but its wildlife too, that nurtures nature corridors such as this and understands how important they are for our environment. I would like to live in a Wales that sees all the beauty in the animals that we have here, such as fallow deer, woodpeckers, thrushes, rooks, all sorts of things.
We want to preserve our green spaces. 1 in 6 species is facing extinction across the UK. Green spaces are so important for well-being, for the environment, which we need to protect for future generations.
I'd like to see a Wales where there's more justice. I'm just so aware of people who can't afford to heat their homes, and like to see more insulation so that the heating is cost effective.
Wales has some of the leakiest and most energy inefficient homes in Europe.
We want to see a Wales where no one dies because they can't afford to heat their home properly.
I would like to live in a Wales where renewable energy thrives and we move away from fossil fuels.
We are the first country to declare a climate emergency. We really need to act on this and make ourselves absolutely fossil free.
I'd like to see a Wales which is passionate about the right to repair. I'd like to see a Wales where you can visit a repair cafe in every town, from north to south.
I think we all know that plastic is becoming a really major problem. I'd really like to live in a Wales where everyone has ready access to refill shops so that they can meaningfully reduce the amount of single-use plastic in their lives.
I'd like to live in a Wales where communities are connected and better informed. For example, there's 500 properties that are at risk of flooding in the town, and we're getting a much better understanding about flood prevention.
I'd also like more attention to air pollution because kids are basically forced to breathe in toxic, horrible air.
The Wales I'd like to live in going forward would be a more inclusive country.
I would like for public transport to be more accessible for disabled people. I would like for the government to be able to turn part of the roads into bike lanes to make it easier and safer to get around on bikes.
I want to live in a Wales where there are people's assemblies in every community making decisions about what's important for them.
And I want to live in a Wales that's a compassionate country, a place where local people's concerns are not just listened to but acted upon as well. A place where big business can't impose their will on people, especially in a beautiful place like this.